So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find, guys, where the air conditioner fuse is located, which fuses control the air conditioner system, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So guys, for the air conditioner, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this Dodge Challenger right here, guys. Now, quick reminder, guys, you have more than one fuse boxes. Most people do not know where they're located, so we made a special video on our YouTube channel. Check it out about fuse box location on Dodge Challenger. What you guys need to do, you need to open the trunk, and when you open the trunk, this is the carpet, the floor of the trunk. Lift it up on the back side. Underneath you have the spare tire, car battery, and here on the very back, okay, you have a fuse box. That's a closer look. That's a car battery, that's a spare tire, that's a fuse box. Press this tab here, open it, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, let's explain which fuses we need to check. By the way, if your air conditioner doesn't work, AC doesn't work, AC blows hot air, we have videos on the channel that will explain how to fix that, what causes it, check it out. If you can use a regular R134A Freon instead of the expensive Freon, that's R1234YF, all that stuff will be on the channel. But here, guys, what we need to do, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. If we zoom in a little bit, fuse number 15 will be the first fuse that you need to check right here. Then we need to, guys, check fuse number 32. So 32, guys, okay, will be a little bit, okay, so if you come in that row of fuses right here, guys, okay, we're talking about that fuse row right here. 32, guys, okay, will be a little bit not visible, but it's that second fuse, not this one, but the one right next to it, that 15M fuse that you see right here. Also, you need to check fuse number 53. Now that gets interesting. You see those two relays, that middle part right here, guys, okay, that's fuse number 51, 52, 53. That fuse right here, 10M fuse, will need to be checked. Now then you need to open the hood on your Dodge Challenger. When you open the hood, here on the passenger side you have the fuse box on the left side of the engine, and if you open the cover it looks like this one here, guys, okay. What do we need to check here specifically? Two more fuses, guys. We're talking about fuse number 12 now, so if you come in that row, that's fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we zoom in, there will be that fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. Also, you guys need to check fuse number 39. So in that row of fuses, 39 will be that fuse right here. All these fuses will need to be checked for the air conditioner. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.